triple threat. Who's thirsty for some competition? You know any chef that has the password to get through that door has the talent to take on the Titans. Tonight, I've invited another culinary superstar to my kitchen.
I wanna see you bring the heat.
Born on the border of Mexico and California, she was the James Beard Award nominee, Eater San Diego's Chef of the Year. Chef Claudette Zepeda. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
I have to say, I think you have what it takes to really give these guys a tough time tonight.
I think so too.
If you win $25,000, and you'll be welcome back to the club anytime you want to come back.
I'm ready, Chef.
We know you're ready.
You're just gonna snack.
That's good. Okay, chefs, 40 minutes on the clock. Let's go.
Come on, Tiff. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Chef, where are you going?
So I'm going to do a pineapple chipotle aguachile.
Uh-huh. And then what are the mushrooms for?
I'm going to do an oyster al pastor.
Okay.
For the second dish, I'm making a pineapple and chipotle aguachile with red snapper. You good, Chef?
I think so, Chef.
It's going to be pineapples and chipotles, some raw red snapper on both sides, so that's as close to apples and apples as we get.
Hot, hot, hot. I'm mixing corn masarina, boiling hot water, and salt.
She's like burning her hand making those tortillas.
It's not for the faint of heart.
Great, she's making tortillas. Seriously. I don't love that the ingredients are tailored for someone who cooks Mexican food.
Can I just order a bunch of those mushroom tacos now?
Con todo?
See.
How you feeling, Chef?
I don't know, Chef.
2 minutes to go. 2 ingredients, 2 totally different directions. It's what we love, what goes down in this club. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, that's it. Which Titan will you go up against in round 2?
Mikey, come on down.
Ooh. Ready, set, go. Chef Voltaggio, what are you making?
I'm gonna make a cassoulet for you today, Chef, with pine nuts.
Cassoulet.
I have to set Brooke up for a successful round 3.
For my first dish, I am making a Tijuana-inspired Chinese duck salad. For my second dish, I'm making pato con arroz with ginger and garlic rice. I score my duck breast and season it with salt and pepper for the pato con arroz. And I make sure that I get a nice sear on it.
Ooh, this looks beautiful. Just take a picture of this and put it in a magazine. Michael's got a lot going on right now.
Yeah, he does.
The juicer, the pressure cooker, fryer, stovetop, it's all happening.
I'm definitely pushing the pine nuts to the point of being over toasted.
Claudette's duck looks really dark on the outside, which means potentially it tastes burnt.
Yeah. I noticed that the legs are pretty dark.
It's hard to watch.
You feel good about your duck legs?
Yes, Chef. They look great. They taste great. They are great. You are great. We're all great.
I slice the duck breast, and it's this do or die moment.
This is amazing food. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Great job, Chef. Well done. I still got $25,000 over here behind the bar. It has your name on it, but it's in pencil.
With an eraser.
Brooke, you're up.
All right.
Go, Brooke!
My strategy is to completely throw Brooke off her game.
How do you feel about the ingredients?
Yeah.